Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's everywhere, from your phone to your fridge. But what exactly is it? Let's break it down. AI is all about making machines smart. But how do they get smart? Let's find out. First, what is AI? It's when machines can do things that usually require human intelligence, like learning, solving problems, or even recognizing faces. AI isn't just one thing. It's a bunch of technologies working together to make machines smarter. There are different types of AI. Let's look at two main ones: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is great at one specific task, like playing chess or recommending movies. General AI is like sci-fi. It's when machines can think and learn like humans. We're not there yet. For now, we mostly have narrow AI, and it's already pretty amazing. So, how does AI learn? Let's talk about machine learning. Machine learning is when AI learns from data. The more data it gets, the better it becomes. But how does it actually learn? Let's peek inside its brain. AI brains are made of something called neural networks. Let's see how they work. Neural networks are inspired by our brains. They have layers of neurons that process information. Each layer helps the AI understand something different, like edges, shapes, or patterns. It's like a team of tiny detectives solving a mystery. Now that we know how AI works, let's see it in action. AI can analyze medical data to help doctors make better decisions. AI can drive cars by recognizing roads, signs, and obstacles. AI suggests movies, songs, and videos based on what you like. AI chatbots can answer questions and help solve problems. AI is already doing so much to make our lives easier. But AI isn't perfect. Let's talk about some challenges and risks. AI can sometimes be biased if it learns from biased data. AI needs lots of data, which can raise privacy concerns. AI can automate jobs, which can be tough for some people. It's important to use AI responsibly and think about these challenges. What does the future hold for AI? Let's take a peek. In the future, AI could help us explore space, revolutionize education. Did you know AI can even create art? What do you think about robots being artists? Would you trust a self-driving car? Let me know in the comments. So, what is AI? It's a powerful tool that's changing the world. First, AI needs lots of data to learn from. Then, it trains by looking at the data and learning patterns. Finally, it's tested to see how well it can apply what it's learned. Did you know AI can write stories and even compose music? The first AI program was created in 1956. That's over 60 years ago. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you next time.